Hi guys, it's Primrose and I am back. And as you can see, I have a lot of plant holders in front of me. So my husband's auntie, she cleared out her shed the other day. And these are the pots she never used. So I'm so happy that she sent them over to me. And yeah, I could get more plants. So I was so moved when some of you guys sent me um, some messages to ask how I am doing. Excuse me. And I'm doing well. I was just busy with work lately, and um, I miss you all guys so much, and I really appreciate your friendship and your concern and your support. But I'm just so happy to be back today, and I have a little treat for you. And I did not have the time to get myself some new plants the past weeks, but I managed to um, order some online, and these plants are the plants that has been on my wish list for quite some time. So I'm so thrilled to um, have found them. And let's start with this one here. So when I ordered this, it says this is like a starter or a plug plant, but judging on the size, I think it's an established plant already, and the price was really good, so I'm happy about that. And this is a philodendron hastatum. So that's how it looks like. I mean the leaves, and it's very velvety to the touch. And I can see some damage on the leaves, but I'm not bothered. Um, the plant looks healthy, and I think it will bounce back. And then the second one is this um, medium size Epiprenum pineatum. So I've been looking for this one for quite some time, and now I have it. So I can see some damage here and there, but I think that's all right. It traveled a long way, so. But this one, I can see a lot of brownings on the leaf tips. So this is a tetrasperma, no, it's a Rapidophora tetrasperma, and it says here medium size. And I think the size is good. It's bigger than what I have expected. Although I can see a lot of brownings on the leaves, but that's alright. But I think it's more like a cold damage. And I have 3 plants in a pot, so that's really good, and the price was good as well. So that's my third plant. And the last one, this one was a bit more pricey compared to the others, but I can understand why, because it's a big plant. So this is my Hoya Kirai variegata, and it came with this unstable trellis, mini trellis, but I think I'm keeping it. And yeah, so I can see some cuts, and there and here. So I think, I believe that they gave this plant a trim before sending it over. And I can't understand why, because these thick leaves are like heavy, and it's in a big pot. So I think that's all right. And the fact that I did not pay much for the shipment as well, and it was very rapid. It took only 3 days after I ordered it, and it came after 3 days. So I think overall the service was really great. And yeah, I'm so pleased with my new additions, and I'm so happy that today I have this little time to be able to reconnect with you guys. And I hope you are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Thank you for watching.